Hey guys, welcome back to Just Support again. I'm gonna do another quick video. This time we're gonna be installing these lights, or it's gonna be two lights. Right now I'm just showing you one. So I laid out everything so you can see, as well as the box, what we got. We got these actually at Lowe's. So as you can see, you're gonna need two screwdrivers. It depends what you already have, but I'll need both the Phillips and the flathead. We got all the screws, wire nuts, and like I said, just about everything you need. It even came with the bulb, luckily, and it has one of those old school looking bulbs. So let's get into it, and here we go.
Hey guys, the editor here. Just wanted to quickly ask if you guys could like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean the world to us. Right now we're trying to get enough subscribers so we can get monetized, and we'd be very grateful. Thanks, and editor out.
Alright guys, so I'm up here. We're gonna go ahead and remove the old one. This is simple. We just remove these two little balls. They screw on. I know everyone else is gonna be different, but I'm just gonna show you on mine real quick. Make sure that the power is off, of course, at the breaker and at the switch. I mean, I know some people just go ahead and turn off the switch. I'd say turn it off at the breaker as well, because you just never know who might come by and turn the breaker on. So as you can see, you got your wires exposed, your ground, your hot and your neutral here. Black one's hot, white's neutral, here's your ground. Always take your hot first off. And just for precaution purposes, I always put the wire nut back on the hot. Then your neutral. Then your ground. Now, I also got to remove it from up here where it got screwed on. So there it is. Gonna take this down. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the bracket as well. But first I gotta remove the ground coming from the wiring for the house. So I got a drill. The screw fell, but I'm still on the ladder. All right, so there you go. We're removed. You got your neutral, ground, and your hot. We're going to go ahead and put the next part in for the new light. All right, guys, so as you saw, I just finished taking off the other piece, and now I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to install the rest of the light. So I'm going to give you kind of a brief. So this part here is the wiring, as you can see, and this is going to attach to where I removed the other one. You got the two screw holes. We're going to go ahead and attach the screws. We're going to wire it in. Now I already attached the chain to the light, and I ran the wiring through it, and this is going to come up and cover all this that you see here. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. It'll make a lot more sense when you actually see what I'm doing here. Let me move the wiring out of the way a little bit. All right, got them started. I'm gonna bring them up a little bit just to make sure they're in and they don't slip out of the hole. Sometimes stuff's stripped. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and wire it up first. So I'm gonna start with the ground. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it around the green screw there. I tighten it down. And I'm actually going to wire nut it to the ground for the house. And so if you can't see this, just trust me, I'm wire nutting it over here. So there, move that out of the way. Next, you want to go ahead and do the neutral. So with this light in the manual, it says it doesn't matter which one of the wires you use. Go ahead and just pick one. There we go. And then the hot. So like I said, make sure to double check everything, that your power's off. I checked it before I turned the camera back on. Make sure your breaker's off. Double check it with either a meter or the voltage sticks, the voltage sniffers. They're different names for them. Okay, so go ahead and hide that as best as you can in your area. So there you go, wiring's done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these all the way up. Don't over tighten, you don't wanna ruin it. The box that these go into are plastic and they can be ruined easily with a screw. All right, so I had already pre-installed this in here. That way it's easier to just put in. Now all I gotta do is I gotta adjust this to bring it up so this is covered all the way. So I'm just gonna give it a few turns. I apologize for blocking it there. So I'm gonna bring the nut up. I feel like I don't have enough hands here, but here we go. Go ahead and tighten the nut all the way. And there you go. It's in. Make sure to tighten the area for your chain here. This one on the chain, it's easy to remove or adjust the height. You just take this up and down, as you can see. Wire came through there. Try not to twist it too much. I tried not to twist it too much there. There you go, it's ready to go. So I'm gonna get down from the ladder and I'll show you what the lights look like here. All right guys, so there are the lights. I put up both, I only showed you one. So let's go ahead and test them out real quick. There it is. All right, guys, so you guys, any questions, comments, go ahead and throw them down below. You know how to do it. And, well, till the next time, when we're just so bored again, we'll make another video. Catch you later.